Work very hard to communicate something in the term of human sensation. So my art, my digital brush or everything is just for me a different option to bring a concept that I have in my mind and to make it alive. The dust is the thing now everybody wants to remove. We don't want to have dust in our house, in our environment. And it's always return. So it's an infinite process. But for me, dust, when you isolate it from the context, is very, very beautiful. Artists, I think, use what they have to express something, to touch the other people. So we use this new technology. For sure, it's not just about art. We try to break the boundary between the art object and the public.